Hello students. In previous lecture, we seen definition of differential equation, order and degree of differential equation, and some examples which are related to order and degree of differential equations. Today, we have to see two more examples on order and degree of differential equations. Next example is 1 plus dy by dx bracket square and its raised to whole bracket raised to square bracket raised to 3 by 2 equal to 8 into d2y by dx square. We have to find order and degree. Here index is again fraction bracket raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, squaring both sides we get. Taking square both sides. Taking square both sides. Therefore, 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 3 by 2 and its a square equal to 8 into d2y by dx square and its square. Again we use here a raised to m and its raised to n. Its value is a raised to m into n. That is bracket raised to स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट आहे आणि त्याचा रेस टू 3 by 2 आहे आणि पुन्हा त्याचा रेस टू 2 आहे. त्यामुळं हा स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट त्याचा रेस टू 3 by 2 आणि पुन्हा त्याचा रेस टू 2 म्हणजेच हा 3 by 2 into 2 करणार. हा 2 कॅन्सल होतोय, शिल्लक राहतो 3. त्यामुळं आपण इथं लिहिताना लिहिणार 1 प्लस dy by dx ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर अँड इट्स रेस टू 3 इक्वल टू इन RHS 8 into d2y by dx square and its a square, that is a into b bracket raised to m. Then we have to say that a raised to m into b raised to n. m हा इंडेक्सचा रूल आहे. त्यामुळे आपण RHS लिहिताना 8 चा स्क्वेअर इंटू d2y by dx स्क्वेअर आणि त्याचा स्क्वेअर लिहिणार. 8 चा स्क्वेअर येतो 64 इंटू d2y by dx स्क्वेअर अँड इट्स स्क्वेअर. आता इथं 1 प्लस dy बाय dx स्क्वेअर आणि पुन्हा हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 3 आहे. तर हा एक्सपांड करायची आपल्याला गरज नाही. का नाही? कारण आपण हायर ऑर्डर काढणार आहोत. इथं dy बाय dx आहे म्हणजे ऑर्डर 1 आहे आणि RHSमध्ये d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणजे ऑर्डर 2 आहे. त्यामुळे ह्या LHS आपल्याला एक्सपांड करायची गरज नाही. ह्या इक्वेशनवरून तुम्हाला ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री सांगता येते. RHSमध्ये d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर आहे त्यामुळं ऑर्डर किती येणार आहे पहा. ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इज d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर 2 अँड देन वी फाइंड डिग्री पॉवर ऑफ हायेस्ट ऑर्डर. हायेस्ट ऑर्डर इज d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर अँड इट्स पॉवर इज अगेन 2 मीन्स ऑर्डर इज 2 अँड डिग्री इज ऑल्सो 2. जेव्हा हा फ्रॅक्शन असेल तेव्हा अशा पद्धतीने हे एक्झाम्पल सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं. नेक्स्ट d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x equal to root of 1 plus d3y by dx cube. Here again square root is present, therefore taking square both sides. Taking square both sides. Therefore d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x होल ब्रॅकेट रेस टू 2 ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर. हा स्क्वेअर रूट आपण असाही लिहू शकतो 1 प्लस d3y बाय dx क्यूब ब्रॅकेट. ह्या सगळ्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट आहे म्हणजे ब्रॅकेट रेस टू हाफ आणि आपण याचा काय करणार आहोत स्क्वेअर घेणार आहोत. आता पुन्हा मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे a रेस टू m अँड इट्स रेस टू n इज नथिंग बट a रेस टू m इंटू n मीन्स हाफ इंटू 2. हाफ इंटू 2 answer is 1. That is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x whole bracket square equal to 1 plus d3y by dx cube. इथं देखील पुन्हा पहा d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x whole bracket square. हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आपल्याला एक्सपांड करायची गरज नाही. का नाही? तर आपल्या ह्या पूर्ण इक्वेशनमध्ये पाहिलं हा पहिला तुमचा d2y बाय dx स्क्वेअर आहे मीन्स सेकंड ऑर्डर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर हा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर आहे आणि RHSला हा ऑर्डर 3 आहे. आपल्याला ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन काढताना हायेस्ट ऑर्डर लागतं. हायेस्ट ऑर्डर आपल्याला इथं ऑलरेडी आहे, त्यामुळे हा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर LHSचा एक्सपांड करायची गरज नाही आहे. या इक्वेशनवरून आपण ऑर्डर आणि डिग्री सांगू शकतो. त्यामुळं ऑर्डर ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन इज d3y by dx cube means order is 3 and degree of differential equation power of highest order, here power is 1, therefore degree of differential equation is 1. लक्षात येत आहे. आज आपण ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन पाहिलेले आहेत. जेव्हा इंडेक्स फ्रॅक्शन असतो, स्क्वेअर रूट म्हणजेच इंडेक्स रेस टू हाफ आहे, क्यूब रूट असतो, तेव्हा ते एक्झाम्पल अगोदर सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं आणि नंतर त्याचं हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लिहा आणि हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा इंडेक्स, हायेस्ट ऑर्डरचा पॉवर म्हणजेच डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असतो. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी formation of differential equation. Here we have to given any information, then we form the differential equation. How we form differential equation? See here. Here question is obtain the differential equation. Obtain the differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Whenever we form any differential equation, then given information, from the given information we eliminate the arbitrary constant. Now we have to see the example. X cube plus y cube equal to 4a. Here a is constant, arbitrary constant. Now we differentiate this equation. Here a is any constant, a is only one arbitrary constant. Therefore, given differential equation we have to differentiate only one time. In solution we have to write here, let given differential equation is, in solution we have to write the given equation x cube plus y cube equal to 4a. Here a is only one arbitrary constant, therefore differentiate, call this equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube. Here we differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y cube is 3 into y square and derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to 4a. 4 is constant and a is also constant. Therefore, derivative of 4a, 4 is constant, a is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0. Therefore, the equation is 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx equal to 0. Here we take 3 common and cancel with RHS. That is 3 into x square plus y square into dy by dx equal to 0. Cancel with RHS. Therefore, x square plus y square into dy by dx equal to 0. This is our differential equation. Here question is obtain the differential equation, because differential equation is nothing but derivative of function is obtained, means dy by dx is present. Therefore, this is which is required differential equation. दिलेल्या इन्फॉर्मेशनमध्ये, दिलेल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट्स ए असतो, काही वेळेला बी, सी, C1, C2 असे असतात. किती आहेत चेक करायचं आणि तेवढ्या वेळेला दिलेलं इक्वेशन डिफरन्शिएट करायचं आणि तशा पद्धतीने आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन येतं. Now we have to see second example. Second example is y equal to a into cos of log x plus b into sin of log x. Second example, y equal to a into cos of log x plus b into sin of log x. In solution, we have to consider the given equation is equation number 1, that is y equal to a into cos of log x plus b into sin of log x. Here a and b are two arbitrary constant. Therefore, we differentiate equation 1 two times. First we have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x, its derivative is dy by dx equal to derivative of a into cos of log x. A is constant, take outside. Derivative of cos of log x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Cos of log x, therefore its derivative is minus sin of log x into derivative of log x. This is composite function. Plus b is constant, take outside. Then derivative of sin of log x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, sin of log x, its derivative is cos of log x into derivative of log x. That is equal to a into minus sin of log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus b into cos of log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Take 1 upon x common from RHS, that is 1 upon x into a into minus sin of log x, that is minus a sin of log x plus b into cos of log x. Here we take 1 upon x common from RHS. Take multiply in LHS, that is x into dy by dx, cross multiplication. X into dy by dx equal to minus a sin of log x plus b cos of log x. Call this equation number 2. Here we again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, because in given question a and b are two arbitrary constant. Therefore, given equation 1 we have to differentiate 2 times. This is first differentiation, and again we have to differentiate second time, that is again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Here is x into dy by dx. Therefore, we use here product rule. First into derivative of second. X is first term. Derivative of dy by dx. This is d2y by dx square plus second into derivative of first. dy by dx into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 equal to minus a sin of log x. Minus a is constant, take outside. Sin of log x, its derivative is cos of log x into derivative of log x plus derivative of b into cos of log x. B is constant outside the function. Derivative of cos of log x is minus sin of log x into derivative of log x. That is equal to minus a cos of log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus minus, product is minus b into sine of log x into derivative of log x is again 1 upon x. Take 1 upon x common from RHS, that is 1 upon x into, also we have to take minus sign, minus a yet minus b, therefore we take minus sign common from RHS, in bracket a into cos of log x plus b into sine of log x. From equation 1 we have to say that a cos of log x plus b sine of log x, its value is y. Therefore, in square bracket we put this value, that is minus 1 upon x into y from equation 1. Therefore, we say that x into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to minus y upon x. Taking cross multiplication, x into x, that is x square into d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx equal to minus y. Taking minus y from RHS to LHS. Therefore, we say that x square into d2y by dx square plus x into dy by dx equal to minus y. We take minus y from RHS to LHS. Then sign changes. Minus y चा काय झाला plus y and equal to 0. This is our required differential equation. इथे दोन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट आहेत, त्यामुळे दोन वेळेला आपण डिफरन्शिएशन केलेलं आहे. तसंच कॉस ऑफ लॉग एक्स याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना आपण कंपोजिट फंक्शन किंवा ज्याला आपण चेन रूल म्हणतो तो चेन रूल वापरलेला आहे. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज y इक्वल टू a इंटू e रेज टू 5x प्लस b इंटू e रेज टू मायनस 5x. Now we have to simplify this equation in differential equation. Here e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x, composite function है पुन्हा. E raised to x is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and derivative of e raised to ax is e raised to ax into a. Using this formula here also a and b are two arbitrary constant. Therefore, we differentiate this equation two times. Suppose given equation is equation 1. Let y equal to a into e raised to 5x plus b into e raised to minus 5x. Call this equation number 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. A is constant into derivative of e raised to 5x, e raised to 5x plus b is again constant into derivative of e raised to minus 5x. That is a into e raised to 5x, its derivative is e raised to 5x into derivative of 5x. Derivative of 5x is 5 plus b into derivative of e raised to minus 5x, its value is e raised to minus 5x into derivative of minus 5x is minus 5. Taking 5 common from RHS, that is 5 into a into e raised to 5x minus plus, product is minus, taking 5 this common, then remaining part is b into e raised to minus 5x. This is equation number 2. Now we have to again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Now again differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square equal to 5 is constant, in bracket a is again constant, derivative of e raised to 5x, is e raised to 5x into derivative of 5x is 5 minus b is constant, derivative of e raised to minus 5x. E raised to minus 5x into derivative of minus 5x is minus 5. That is 5 into 5a into e raised to 5x minus minus product is plus 5 into b into e raised to minus 5x. Take 5 common from square bracket. First 5 is already here and then taken 5 is common from square bracket. In square bracket remaining part we have to write here a into e raised to 5x plus b into e raised to minus 5x. 5 into 5 25 and from square bracket we write instead of square bracket from equation 1 a into e raised to 5x plus b into e raised to minus 5x, its value is y. Therefore y in LHS d2y by dx square. That is, we have to say that d2y by dx square equal to 25y. Taking 25 this 25y this term from RHS to LHS, that is minus 25y. Therefore our differential equation is d2y by dx square minus 25y equal to 0. In differential equation there are no arbitrary constants. डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये ऑर्बिटरी कॉन्स्टंट प्रेझेंट नसतात, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. जर चुकून राहिलं तर ते आपल्याला डिलीट करायचं, म्हणजे डिफरन्सिएशन करून डिलीट करायचं, कॅन्सल करायचं असतं. अशा पद्धतीने आपण दिलेलं इन्फॉर्मेशन, दिलेलं इक्वेशन सिम्प्लिफाय करून डिफरन्शिएट करून डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन तयार करायचं.